Welcome to JSW Infrastructure, a leading private port company in India and part of JSW conglomerate. We have a strong presence on both the east and west coasts, offering ports and terminals. Our terminal facilitates coastal shipping for Handymax to Capesize vessels, ensuring economies of scale and handling diverse cargo. Safety is paramount for us, with a commitment to zero harm, and having a health and safety policy reinforces this commitment. Our guidelines and protocols aim to ensure your safety and well-being on our premises. In JSW, we have 10 critical rules, which needs to adhere. Upon arrival, kindly go to the main gate security office. Prior appointment and a visitor gate pass are essential for seamless entry. Declare identity proof and personal items at the security office. Seek permission for bringing restricted items inside. Strictly avoid smoking, tobacco, and alcohol on the premises. No entry under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Your cooperation is appreciated. Do not violate safety and security norms. What to be explained here? Cooperate in carrying gadgets requiring special permission. Obtain prior authorization for photography or videography inside the plant premises. Entry to the port is restricted for individuals below 18 years without permission from the designated authority. Always carry your visitor pass and return during leaving at the main gate security along with issued PPE. Follow security procedures for a safe departure. Avoid loose clothing at the site. Visitors allowed on working days from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Deviations require approval. Adhere to displayed speed limits. Park vehicles in designated areas with take-up mode and ensure passengers wear seat belts. Mandatory PPE includes a safety helmet, goggles, reflective jacket, and safety shoes. Area-specific PPE may be required. Now we will demonstrate how to wear PPEs properly. Visitors are not allowed to carry out any work without a gate pass, safety induction, and relevant authorizations. No fun, joking, or misbehavior leading to an unsafe environment. Enter only permitted areas, seek approval for changes, and avoid unauthorized access to restricted areas. Don't touch any machinery, either stationary or moving. Follow correct paths, use handrails, and avoid mobile phone usage while walking. Pay attention to traffic when crossing roads. Don't walk where heavy vehicles move. If using LMB, avoid parking on roads. Please be aware of potential vehicle movement hazards at stockyard, stay alert, and maintain a safe distance from moving vehicles. Adhere to site display signages for information and guidance. Don't enter the berth area without a JSW official guide. Stay away from the edge of the berth. Lifebuoys with lifelines are available for emergencies at each berth. No movement under overhead load areas, stacker reclaimer, or sitting on tracks. Avoid climbing heights if afraid or unwell. In emergencies, follow siren instructions, which is played 3 times intermittently. Stay calm and reach designated assembly points displayed or follow your guide instruction. In case of medical assistant, ask for ambulance available and OHC Occupational Health Center in our premises. We have demarcated various assembly points inside the plant premises at different locations. In case of fire, follow the emergency path on signboards if you are in office. We appreciate your feedback regarding any hazards, risks, or injury illness you have observed. PL report that promptly to the escort with you or 24/7 control room contact number as displayed. Follow the instruction of JSW officials or security along the siren code till all clear long is blown. Please help to maintain good housekeeping. Use designated areas for drinking water, toilets, and don't litter here and there. Spitting inside the premises is strictly prohibited. Be careful while walking, as careless walking can lead to slipping, stumbling, falling. In this port terminal, all activities are monitored by CCTV cameras. Safety instructions are for well-being. Seek assistance from company officials if needed. It's everyone's responsibility to ensure safety. Wish you a pleasant and safe visit. Your safety is our priority. Be safe, ask for assistance if needed. Life is precious.